Hey, hi all. It's been a long time. So, I had said right, I would upload the videos. I didn't get time. So I would like to start with the basics. So, this is the VS Code actually. Show you. Let me hide this Zoom video panel. So, let's learn basics. Okay. It's going to be a long video, guys. Follow it. So, whatever I know, I would like to teach here. So, let's open a new file. I don't have a folder. What all methods we can open a folder? Let me explain. You can just click on this and you can create a folder here like this. Right click, create a folder, name it as test, and already I have a folder by name test. So let me rename it as test some numbers and I'll select this folder. Once you select this folder, you will get like this. Welcome to the Visual Studio Code. You can close this. You will see this folder name here. So whatever files which you're going to create here, this is the workspace, the blue box on the left side. Whatever you create here, it will go and sit inside the folder. Where exactly this folder is located, you can actually see where it is located, right? You know where exactly you have created. I'll go to documents folder and you had created a test somewhere. Or I can search here. In Windows 11, we can quickly search test. I had named it a different name, test 2 3 something, right? 2 3, yeah. Where exactly the location is? It's located in the C drive under users. It's good. So it's here over here. It's here. So this is the empty space. So whatever you're going to create here, you will have all the files there. So this is how it looks like. VS Code. Now let's write a simple program. I will click a new file. Let me explain to you how we can use GitHub Copilot to write the programs for me. Earlier, we had so many difficulties. We have to write line by line from scratch, but now everything is done by artificial intelligence, that is AI, which is GitHub Copilot. Let me create a new file. I will create test.python program. Let's write a Python program, a basic Python. Test.py. The file gets opened here. If you want to write, you can write the program here, but you don't know how to write the program. You are new to this. You have to learn from scratch. So use GitHub Copilot to write the program. Now, this is the chat window. You can close this. If you don't want to see it, you can close this. This chat window, how it opens is here. You have to go and click open chat. This is the chat. Okay. This is how it looks like. If you have a latest VS Code, you will have all these options: agent, ask, edit, and plan. Plan will share more information during my further videos. I'll explain to you now, as of now, what is ask. Okay, once you click on ask towards right side, you have multiple models here. These are called large language modules. I am not aware of what every model does. So normally when you go to chat GPT and when you ask anything to chat GPT, it's actually nothing but a large language module. You have so many GPT models. Likewise, we have GPT-5 Mini 404.1. You can select any one from this. If you want to know more about this model, you can go to Google, type this model, and or you can ask ChatGPT itself, what is the use of Gemini? What is the use of GPT-5? What is the use of GPT 5.1? It will give you very clear explanation of why is this model designed for, what is the use, and how it can help you. Now I want to learn Python programming. I don't want to go for a researching now. Okay, I will research it later. As of now, I am aware only GPT. Wherever we hear it's about GPT. So let's select GPT 4.1. It's an ask. Ask is you're asking something. It will just work like ChatGPT. Now I will just type hi. Right side is a session. Whenever you start a chat, you will have one session here saved. Next time when you come in, you can just select this. The sessions will open up. So it is asking, how can I assist you with your project today? Okay, I want to write a simple Python program for addition. I don't know how to program, or either I'm not aware of programming. Let's press enter. No problem. Here's a simple way Python program adds two numbers and prints the result. It gave me the program itself. Now it's also telling me you can copy this code to your test.py file. To run it, open a terminal, navigate to your project folder and type python test.py. First thing, let's see. Since I don't know programming, I don't know what is num1, what is num2, what is num1, what is this float. Add the numbers. Then next is I would like to know each line explained to me in a layman language. Since I'm not aware of programming, now it will explain absolutely. Here's the code again. Each line is explained. This program adds two numbers. Get input from the user. This is how it's written. Enter the first number. This line will show the message on the screen asking you to type the first number. Next one, num2. Enter the second number. This line will ask you to type the second number. Now it will ask you this float, two lines, what is it? Add the numbers. But still, you don't know actually what is num1, what is input. I would like to know each and every thing written in that program. I don't know what is num, what is float. Explain me each of everything written in the program. So I can write my next program myself. So now it will give me the detailed explanation of how the program is written. Now, if you see, it will explain what is num1. It will explain what is num2 and what we are converting to, what is float. And it will give a clear explanation of this. Now, what shall we do next? Now I have to write it here, right? I have to write the program here. So I'll go back here. And you see this? Apply in editor, insert at cursor, copy. Let's copy this. You have an option insert into terminal, insert into new file. First we'll do copy thing. I copied it. Now it'll ask me open a terminal. We'll go here. How to execute it? I will open a new terminal. Now you see the folder, it's selected in C drive this. For all this to work, you have to install Python first. Sorry, I didn't tell that. Install the software. It's quite simple. If you have not installed, GPT will help you. It will not execute this program. It will tell Python is not installed in your system. It will guide you step by step to install. Now, what to write? I don't want to write. I'll just copy paste this Python test.py. or it didn't execute the program. So there is some problem. Let me execute again. Whenever we get into some error, only then we will start learning it deeply. Now I don't know what is happening. I will ask GPT. I'm not getting the output when I run the program. All in plain English, you can just type. You can copy this and paste it here. It will tell what is the problem. Oh, I stopped the chat. Now, if you run the program, nothing happens. No message asking numbers. It usually means one of this, but you don't see the prompt because of your terminal is set up. There is an issue with how input is handled. Okay, probably here I have to install terminal. I'll go to new terminal. Okay, this is PowerShell. Command prompt. I'll use command prompt. Now, Python PowerShell. Let me explain what it is. It is actually I have set up that. That's for a different purpose. Python test.py. No, it's not working. I have a play button here, which I can directly use it. But still, again, I'll copy paste this. No, it's not outputting. I'll click this play button. Okay, now it's working. So that is something internally. I have some issue with the path. Now you just hit the play button. It will run the enter the first number 10. Enter the second number 11. The sum is 21.0. Perfect. This is how we do it. So this is ask. So in my next video, I'll show few more things using ask itself, what all we can do. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, and whenever you would like to, you know more, or you're always free to comment. Okay, please feel free to comment, and so that I can cover the topic. Whatever it is, you just leave a comment, follow, subscribe only if you like it. It's not that I'm doing it for some purpose, it's just for learning. Even it's a practice for me. So thank you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.